Mama said, no make hunger teach you to stop love.
Jano.
Real love now burn out, even when the whole world cold. Love grow through the fire, still bloom higher and higher.
Babylon can't cool this flame.
Jah bless we are still the same.
Pocket empty,
Soul still rich,
you hold me hand.
I never switch. Love grow through the fire till the end of time.
Yeah. Remember the days when rain a fall, water drip through zinc on the wall.
One mattress, one liquor stove, still we laugh till the night breeze blow.
Whole heap of people laugh after we,
Them say love can't feed nobody,
but every sunrise you're
still there.
holding faith like morning star. Me shoes tear up,
Pocket nearly done, still you smile brighter than the sun.
no gold chain, no
Fancy ride, still you walk proudly by my side.
Jano.
That kind of love rare fi find, not built for money but built for mind. Love grow through the fire, still bloom higher and higher.
Babylon can't cool
This flame, Jah bless we are still the same.
through the struggle.
Through the pain, every tear becomes sweet rain. Love grow through the fire till forever call we home.
Oh, one day darkness visit me gate. False friend carry jealousy and hate. Them whisper lies inside your ear.
Try to fill your heart with fear.
Them say me dream too far away. Them say me future fade someday.
But you tell them, move from ya,
My king still
guided by Jah.
distance stretch cross ocean wide.
Still me feel you by my side.
Every letter, every prayer,
Carry your perfume through the air. When me weak, you build me soul. Broken pieces become whole. Jah write we story upon stone, even when me walk alone. Fire test the purest gold. So me hear the elders talk. Storm reveal the strongest tree. Love reveal who meant to be. No matter how the road gets steep, real promise Jah always keep.
now the blessings slowly come. Still remember where we from. Never share my hungry day, cause it build who we are today.
House bigger, heart still small. Still answer every neighbor call. Money never change your way. Still give thanks every single day.
Gray hair soon replace black crown.
Still me nah let you down.
If tomorrow bring more pain,
Me would choose you once again. When me voice can't sing no more, and me footstep reach heaven door. Tell the angels clearly see your greatest gift Jah give to me. Love grow through the fires, still bloom higher and higher.
Babylon can't
Cool this flame,
Hear me now. Election season come again. New suit, new smile, same old corruption. Babylon polish them words like gold, but poor people still can't buy bread. Them build palace pan hungry belly. Just see everything. Babylon sell pretty lies, while the hungry picnic cry. Suit and tie hide dirty and still a rob we little land. Silver tongue heart cold like stone. Poor man still now own him own. Babylon sell pretty lies, but your truth never die. Them drive big car through broken street. Wave them and promise plenty meat. Election banner cover the wall. After voting, nobody call. Hospital roof still leak when rain. You still searching, work in vain. Mama count every penny slow. Still food price never stop grow. Them wear perfume, them drink champagne. Poor man only inherit pain. Babylon office bright all day. Ghetto still in darkness stay. Them build mansion pan taxpayer sweat. Still say country deep in debt. Every speech sounds smooth and nice, but tomorrow raise the price. Babylon sell pretty lies, while the hungry picnic cry. Suit and tie hide dirty and still a rob we little land. Every promise fade away like morning dew at break of day. Babylon sell pretty lies, still Jah watching from an eye. You graduate, still can't eat. Certificate got a dust pan shelf. Honest labor pay too small, yet corruption own it all. Police chase the hungry thief. $1 million crime get brief. Justice blind, so them claim money always win the game. Babylon teach divide and rule. Turn poor neighbor into fool. Color, party, race and tribe, all fi keep corruption alive. But every tear Jah write in book. Every wicked action overlook. No, judgment coming one by one. Nobody hide beneath the sun, yeah. One day the table I go turn. Every candle still I go burn. Truth no frighten daylight. Oh, only darkness fear the light stand firm. Holy faith, Babylon kingdom of expiry day. Me no fight with it inside. Only truth become me guide. Love me never feed the poor. Open every righteous door. King nor queen can rule forever. Every empire break together. Only justice truly reign. After every season pain. Jah no sleep, Jah no blind. Every secret him I go find when trumpets sound across the sky. Whoa. No more pretty politician lie. Whoa. Poor man finally stand up tall. Chains I go crumble. One and all. Children laugh beneath the sun, knowing freedom finally come. Babylon sell pretty lies, still the righteous never die. Though the road rough every day, Jah go always make a way. Money fade, power fall, truth I go outlive them all. Babylon sell pretty lies, but your kingdom still arise. Babylon sell pretty lies, still the lion never bow. Babylon sell pretty lies, truth I go wear the crown. Remember, a crown built upon greed always fall, always fall. But a nation built upon truth stand forever. Jolly, 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 jolly. Me used to blame the pain till just show me. Every scar tell one story, and every story teach one lesson. No love truly waste if you're willing to learn. Every scar remember love, even when you fly like dove. Every tear fall upon the ground, grow new strength when I'm found. Broken heart still beat strong, Jah turn sorrow into song. Every scar remember love, and me still give thanks above. Remember the first embrace, sunshine dancing on your face. Whole world disappeared that day, only you could make me stay. Then the seasons slowly change, smile becomes so cold and strange. Conversation lose its sound, silence slow down all around. Me ask Jah where me wrong, still me carry love along. Some people only pass through life, teach your peace through little strife. When you left me soul did cry, question every reason why. No, me know what tell us me, not every ending wicked see. Yeah. Every sky remember love, even when you fly like dove. Every tear fall upon the ground, grow new strength when I'm found. Heart still open, spirit free, pain never define me. Every sky remember love, I'm a blessed Jah faithfully. Me stop counting sleepless night, morning finally bring new light. Mirror show a stronger man, healing work in Jah own plan. Me forgive without revenge, cause bitterness only change. Freedom start inside the soul, mercy always make you whole. No, me smile when rain a fall, cause me conquer after. Every memory still remain, but them no longer bring me pain. If tomorrow love not door, me not hide me heart no more. Fear no build no happy home, faith alone make courage grow.
Gold refined inside the flame, still come out brighter just the same. Tree bend low beneath the breeze, still produce this sweet as leaves. Jah no waste one single tear. Ooh, every season of purpose here.
Years pass by like evening time,
Peace now walking by my side.
still me pray for you each day.
Hope Jah guide you on your way.
Cause true love no carry it, even after change of fate. Blessing follow those who choose grace instead of excuse. If another soul asks me,
What did heartbreak truly teach?
me would answer clear and plain. Love worth every drop of pain,
Love worth drop of pain.
every scar on flesh and soul. It complete me journey walk. Jah use broken branch one day, build a bridge along the way. Every scar remember love,
Still me praise the King above.
because them hate you. Sometimes just simply use them for teach you how precious real love truly is. Give thanks.
Listen. Them could chain we hand, them could chain we foot, them could carry we across the ocean, but them never did own. The spirit Jah breathe inside man, just like Moses stand before Pharaoh. Freedom always find a way.
Pharaoh never owned the soul.
Jah alone control the world. Chain can't hold me flesh a while. Still me spirit walk for miles. River deep, mountain top, freedom answer every call.
Pharaoh never owned the soul.
Jah write freedom for me soul. Them pack we tight below deck. Darkness cover every breath. Mama crying,
Pick me pray,
still Jah never look away. Salt water wash pan weary skin, yet hope still burn deep within. Every drop
beat in a heart,
keep with people
from apart.
them change we name them.
Take we tongue,
Still Africa living.
every song.
Moon still shine pan same blue sea. Jah remind we
Who fi be?
every sunrise whisper low. Freedom always soon fi grow. Though the whip draw blood and scar, hope still brighter than morning star.
Pharaoh never owned the soul.
Jah alone control the world.
Though them lock the body tight.
Spirit still embrace the light.
Babylon,
Hear me now,
truth I go outlive every crow.
Pharaoh never own the soul. Jah forever make we whole. Sugar field beneath hot sun, still we sing till work day done. Song become we hiding place. Mercy written upon each face. Grandma teach beneath the tree. Praise Jah quietly.
Stay free,
Bible verse inside the mind. Treasure no man
ever find.
them could sell we here and there. Separate whole family there. Still the bloodline carry on, like the rising of the dawn. Every child born after pain carry ancestor strength again. Every heartbeat, every breath
Tell oppression face defeat.
hey, yeah. Oh,
Remember Moses at Red Sea,
water,
open faithfully. Remember Daniel in the den,
just still,
rescue righteous men.
no empire,
Stand eternally,
only Jah.
reign endlessly.
Know the chain them look,
More clean,
we are suit instead of
whipping sea.
greed. Still buy and greed still sell. Different face,
Same old spell.
but the youth must know them well. Royal blood from ancient birth. Lift your head,
Stand upright,
walk in wisdom.
walk in light.
Teach the children where them from. Beat the Nyabinghi drum. It's
chains rust away. Kingdoms rise and fall, but the breath Jah place inside mankind.
No Pharaoh,
No Babylon
no empire
can never own. Give thanks, Selah.
Selah.
Moon bright, but me road still dark. Whole heap of burden pon me shoulder. Whole heap of question in my mind. Me open the Bible and Jah answer before me even ask. Moonlight rests on the old wood floor. Bible open by my door. Candle dancing with the breeze. Jah words bring me soul at ease. Never sleep, night so still. Yet me hear Jah gentle will. Every page become a light, leading through the longest night. Me read, the Lord a me shepherd. Fear begin to lose him seat. Every promise sounds so sweet, like cool river upon hot street. Mountain high, valley deep, just still guard me while me sleep. Though me pocket nearly dry, faith still reach beyond the sky. Some under moonlight, Jah word shine bright. Darkness can't swallow when me whole salvation roll. Every promise still stand true. Morning mercy always new. Psalm under moonlight carry me till morning light. Storm cloud gather round me gate, still me choose to sit and wait. David know this lonely road, still him trust Jah with the Lord. Me read,
Fear no evil,
peace begin invade me chest. Heavy burden slowly leave. Jah alone me no believe. Babylon shout loud outside, still me hide where truth reside. No politician, no gold ring, only Jah can truly save. Lion roar, ocean wide, still me king stay by me side. Every tear become one prayer, knowing heaven always here.
words stronger than the sword, mercy richer than reward. Every chapter, every line, show me Jah perfect design. Moon may hide behind the cloud, still his light calls strong and low.
Now the east begin to glow, morning breeze begin to blow. Bird them
Sing another day, just still make another way. Problems never disappear, but me heart release the fear. Cause me know who hold tomorrow, even through today's sorrow.
children laugh,
Sunrise near,
hope replaced.
the midnight fear,
Bible close against me chest.
knowing Jah know what is best.
Till me final breath,
Someday,
me I go trust him all the way. Whether rich or whether poor,
Jah love endure forevermore. Psalm under moonlight,
guide me through the fight.
guide me through the fight.
Though the valley dark and long,
Jah put courage in a song.
every promise
Every promise,
never fail.
Jah still captain
Jah word
never fade.
Kings come,
Kings go,
Babylon rise,
Babylon fall.
but every promise just speak.
Stand forever.
Give thanks unto Jah.
Amen.
Some people count them riches, me count my blessings. My roof me small, my pocket me light. But every morning, me still wake up with peace, and that worth more than gold. Cock crow wake me before sunrise. Morning dew shine from me eyes. Old boots dusty by the door. Still me give Jah thanks once more. Bread and tea upon the table. Simple life but still be able. Mama laugh while kettle sing. That alone feel like a king. Neighbor pass and call me name. Everybody still the same. No big mansion, no limousine. Still we are stay fresh and clean. Me and rough from honest work. Every drop of sweat of worth. Better little earn with grace than dirty money bring disgrace. Poor man still smile, walk another mile. Jah provide each passing day, always make another way.
Heart full, pocket small.
Still me richer than them all.
Poor man still smile.
Jah love never spoil. Babylon chase silver dream. Nothing always what it seems. Diamond shine but heart stay cold. Soul can buy with bars of gold. Some sleep on expensive bed. Still confusion fill them head. Me sleep easy upon bamboo floor. Wake refreshed forevermore. Children running in the yard. Life no easy, life still hard. But them laughter sweeter far than the richest fancy car. Granny Bible, old and worn, read it every single morn. She say, contentment feed the soul. That wisdom worth more than gold.
River never boast it flow. Tree never brag or fruits grow. Quiet heart, no heaven song. Grateful people stay more strong. No envy, no disguise. Peace alone make true surprise.
If tomorrow blessings rise, me not change before me eyes. Still I go share with those in need. Love I go remain me creed. If tomorrow harder come, me still beat the Nyabinghi drum. Cause me hope no bill pan cash. Riches disappear like ash. One day when me journey done, stand before the Holy One. Me no want expensive fame, only hear him call me name. Faithful servant,
Welcome home, that reward worth every storm,
every burden.
every trial.
Still me leave this earth with smile.
Poor man still smile.
Oh, walk another mile. Jah provide true sun and rain.
crown.
Money can buy a house, but it can't buy peace.
Money
Can buy a bed, but it can't buy sleep.
give thanks for every breath,
For every sunrise,
for every honest meal.
because a grateful heart
Is the richest treasure Jah can give.
bless up, seal up.
Some later,
Never reach,
some promise,
never break.
and some love,
Stay alive,
even when too hard.
live on different shore.
Me still remember Kingston Pier.
You wipe away my silent tear.
Ship and blow before sunrise. Sorrow hiding in our eyes.
You squeeze me and softly say,
Me soon come home.
just pray.
Me watch the vessel cross the sea.
Carry off my life from me.
Every Sunday after church, me wait beside the mailbox first.
Every footstep raise me hope. Every silence heart of echo.
Moon pass,
Season change, still me heart remain the same.
every breeze from overseas.
Carry back your memories. Let her never reach Zion.
Still me heart hold on across the sea.
Across the years, me still whisper through my tears.
Distance long,
Love stay strong.
Jah know where we belong.
Let her never reach Zion.
Still me pray,
Till dawn.
me write your name 100 times.
Fill the page with simple lines.
Tell your mama still I pray.
Tell your flowers bloom each day.
But the postman shake him head,
No mail come.
was all him said.
Storm did swallow some away. Others lost along the way.
Me hear you work till fingers sore.
Searching open foreign shore.
Cold snowfall
Where you reside.
still me picture by your side.
People tell me
Move ahead, but true love can't
easily dead. Some roots grow beneath the ground.
Don't nobody see them, no.
Ocean wide, still too small. If you separate two faithful souls, time may wrinkle face and love still follow Jah command.
Now me hair turn silver gray.
Many years just fade away.
Oh, love letters tied with string.
Still preserve everything.
One cool evening,
Not come slow.
familiar voice we used to know.
Open door with trembling smile.
You stand there after all this while.
No rich clothes,
No fancy ring, only
peace you finally bring.
you whisper low,
Me lose the road,
but never lose.
me love.
Tears roll down like
Summer rain,
healing every ounce of pain.
some reunion take long years.
Still Jah answer faithful prayer.
Let her never reach Zion. Still true
Not every letter,
find the right address,
but every prayer.
always reach heaven.
When people fail,
Jah never lose,
what love?
and trust to Him.
Give thanks.
Love endure all things.
People love you when the road's smooth, but when the valley come, some disappear. Remember, even the lion walk alone before him roar, shake the mountain. Me walk whole heap lonely mile, still me never lose me smile. Friend them fade like evening sun, when the battle just begun. Phone stop ring, door stay shut, still me nah give up so much. Every burden upon my chest, just still know what feed do best. River teach me patient flow, tree teach me to slowly grow. Mountain never rush for rise, still it touching every sky. Crowd applaud when blessings show, you stare when the tears are flow. That alone reveal the truth, character become the proof. Lion walk alone sometimes, still him spirit always climb. Though the valley cold and long, Jah put courage in a song. No surrender, no retreat, fear to go move weary feet. Lion walk alone sometimes, till the sunrise brightly shine. Me watch many promise fade, some friendship only masquerade. When me pocket running dry, them disappear without goodbye. But me granny always say,
Watch you step on rainy day.
sunshine bring 1,000 face, storm reveal amazing grace. Every lonely midnight prayer, Jah remind me him still there. Though me can't see tomorrow clear, hope whisper inside me here. Eagle fly above the crowd, never need for shout aloud. Lion know him worth inside, never chase the world's pride.
Diamond born beneath great weight, faithful hearts know how to wait. Seed alone beneath the ground, soon become the tallest crown. Every wilderness prepare, blessing waiting somewhere near.
Now my journey teach me this, loneliness become one gift. Silence help me hear Jah voice, teach me wisdom.
Teach me choice.
Me forgive who walk away, pray Jah bless them every day. Cause resentment change the soul,
Mercy always make you whole.
when another weary man,
Question if him still can
if him still can't stand,
me I go lifting from the dust.
point him back to what Jah trust. One day when the race complete, lay me burden at his feet, hear him gently call me name. That alone worth every pain. Lion walk alone sometimes, still in purpose always shine. Every trial,
Every scar
carry you a little far. If today you walk alone, don't fear. Every prophet,
every shepherd,
every righteous soul know the song.
of lonely footsteps,
Keep walking,
Jah already.
prepare the next sunrise.
Ooh.
Bless up.
Selah, Selah, Selah.
Some road look crooked, some season feel too long. But when Jah finish write the story, he realize every bend lead you exactly where you fit at. Me never understand the pain. Why so much a storm and rain? Every dream seem fade away. Night feel longer than the day. Door locked tight wherever me turn. Every lesson I feel learn. Question fill me weary soul. Still Jah keep me in control. Joseph no betrayal well. Brother sell him prison cell. Still the pit become him throne. Jah prepare what none had known. David hide in cave alone. Before him wear the royal crown. Every valley him endure. Teach him how to remain so pure.
Jah ride straight on crooked road.
Carry every heavy load. Though me stumble, though me fall, just still answer
Every call,
every sorrow, every tear. Build tomorrow,
drawing near,
Jah ride straight bound.
crooked road.
Love complete the story told. Jah lose everything one day. Still him never walk away. Though him cry beneath the sky, fate refuse to say goodbye. All wear chain instead of gold. Still him preach both young and old. Cell become him pulpit bright. Jah turn darkness into light. Me no stop ask,
Why me, Jah?
me ask.
What you teaching ya?
Every trial shape the clay into vessel for one day. People laugh, them call me fool. Just still working silent school. Every waiting season long soon become victorious song.
But I never rush the clay. Every wheel of purpose stay. River bend before it reach. Ocean wide beyond our speech.
Just the end you can't always see. Jah already know destiny. No, me standing on the hill, looking back so calm and still. Every heartbreak, every loss, point me closer to the cross. If me never know despair, me could never truly care. If me never taste defeat, victory would feel incomplete. No, me help another soul who feel life out of control. Tell them softly,
Hold the line. Jah timing always right on time.
when me find journey done, stand before the Holy One. Me I go smile and finally know why him choose that winding road. Yeah,
Jah ride straight on crooked road.
never waste one heavy load.
Every mountain, every flame,
Bring more glory.
to his name.
Every failure, every scar, shape the person who you are.
Jah ride straight on crooked road.
don't curse the crooked road. One day, you'll go discover that every twist, every delay, every tear was part of your perfect handwriting. Walk by faith, not by sight. Give thanks, Jah never make mistake.
Hear the drum before you hear the words. Before Babylon build them wall, the drum did already beat. Before Pharaoh raised him throne,
The drum did already beat.
and when every kingdom become dust,
The drum.
still I go read. Morning break pan Zion Hill, drum still calling louder still. Children dancing in a street, freedom moving with them feet. Babylon build castle life, thinking truth could someday die. But every stone them proudly raise soon become forgotten days. Lion roar across the land, justice walking hand in hand. River wash corruption clean, leave behind a brighter scene. Old man smile beneath the tree, tell the youth stay brave,
Stay free.
cause no empire ever stand longer than Jah mighty hand. Drum never stop beating, truth keep marching on.
Though Babylon rise today,
Tomorrow them gone,
justice flowing,
like the river strong.
freedom singing.
Heaven
So
sound,
never stop beating.
Jah kingdom carry on. Hey! Them burn books, them break homes, scatter people from them own. Still the wisdom never fade, truth can bury in a grave. Them silence righteous vice a while,
So why,
still hope travel mile by mile.
my mind,
Every mother teach her son, stand for truth till race is done. Every farmer sow him seed, just Jah provide every need. Every teacher share the light, though the classroom small and tight. Every labor, every prayer, Jah collect them everywhere. Nothing faithful ever waste, heaven know each sacrifice.
blow the trumpet,
Beat the drum,
tell the nation,
kingdom come,
chains may rattle,
wall may fall,
Jah alone,
stand over all,
lift your banner,
raise your voice,
faithfulness.
remain the choice. When the children ask one day, oh, you never lose your way, me I go point toward the sky, where no politician lie. Me I go tell them,
Read your word,
love your neighbor,
keep your word,
work with honor,
speak with grace.
never sell your rightful place. When the final trumpet sound, every knee bow to the ground.